Hi, welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Al Ashworth, and I am one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our Sparks certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year or 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. Let's go out and take a look. Here we have a 2016 Honda Pilot LX. It is a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with power side mirrors, chrome window trim, and deep tinted glass. When it comes to 3-row SUVs that offer modern amenities, plenty of room for large families, and surprisingly efficient, the 2016 Honda Pilot is the top of the list. This Pilot has 18-inch alloy wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and a tire-specific low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Pilot is in great condition. It has auto-off projector beam, halogen daytime running headlamps with delay off, along with speed-sensitive wipers and a really nice chrome grille with the iconic Honda emblem to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Pilot has automatic full-time all-wheel drive, and it's estimated that drivers receive 21 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Pilot only has 38,505 miles on it. At the back of the Pilot, you can see the sporty lip spoiler and the rear wiper, along with the large LED brake lights and sleek badging. Looking to the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious, and the back seats fold down for more space as needed. This cargo area also features concealed storage and cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. This Honda Pilot even has a comfortable third-row seating option for carpooling with family and friends. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Pilot has been very well taken care of. Passengers can utilize the fold-down armrest with cup holders and the door bends, as well as the seat back storage. There's also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice chrome and metal look interior accents. Drivers and passengers alike will be very comfortable in the adjustable cloth seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Pilot is also equipped with locking glove box, fade to off interior lighting, and push button start. Here are the easy to reach controls for the power side mirrors, the power door locks with auto lock, and the power windows with front row one-touch up and down. This Pilot has a very comfortable tilting and telescoping steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It is also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home to your multimedia features and is paired with 6 speakers and a subwoofer. This includes your classic AM/FM radio. It's MP3 and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and auxiliary ports. This advanced system even has speed-sensitive volume. You also have large climate controls, and everything that you see is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. Hey, thank you very much for watching. Again, this is a Spark certified vehicle, which includes a 7-year or 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. It also includes a 160-point quality inspection by Toyota certified technicians, a lifetime Sparks Preferred Customer Program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discounted pickup and delivery for any service work done here at Sparks, lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax report, as well as the lifetime vehicle exchange program. We will buy your car anytime. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Again, thank you very much.